It's me again. Day number 2 of paragraph editing. Muir was a good student and a creative thinker. We have to begin with a capital here. By the time he was in his early 20s, he had won prizes at the state fair for some of his inventions. Well, this sounds strange. He had won? How about he had won? But it also needs a capital. All sentences must begin with a capital letter. You show that with 3 lines underneath the letter you want capitalized. One of his more unusual creations, for example, was a device that would tip him out of bed each day. That's not a question. I'm going to mark out. This little mark says to remove, and I'm going to put in a period. That's just a statement. One of his more unusual creations, for example, was a device that would tip him out of bed each day. Need a comma here. Before he finished college, Muir had the urge to travel. Well, this needs to have something different. It needs to be finished, E-D. Before he finished college, Muir, capital, had the urge to travel. He left school to wander through the northern United States and Canada, and he made money along the way by working at odd jobs. Well, we have a capital, so that's okay. Northern United States. Northern does not need a capital, but United States does. It's a proper noun. And Canada does because it's also a proper noun. And he made money along the way by working at odd jobs, period. This word is not spelled correctly. O-D-D. Sorry, that looks bad. I think that this should be 2 sentences. He left school to wander through the northern United States and Canada, period. Get rid of the and, capitalize the he. He made money along the way by working at odd jobs. We don't want our sentences to be too long. Hope this helps with your answers. I hope you got most of these.